Oh.
You know? Call her.
I'll call her in a while. When fat ass wakes up, dude. We called her on this time before she was asleep, so I'm not gonna call her until later.
Well,
I know. Don't need to sleep in that long. I know they don't, but I slept into like 7. That's the latest I usually do, anyways. That's late for me. Then when I woke up at 4:30, I tried laying down all those hours. I didn't really sleep. Can't sleep.
he does labor.
I know, I can't really sleep. Technically, I was up at 4:30. I just laid there for 2 hours thinking I could sleep, but I can't. I went to bed at 10. Then you went to bed. Five hours of sleep is enough for me. I want to sleep for 5 hours. That's enough for me. 5 hours of sleep every night is enough for me. I always wake up around 4:30 tonight. Stay up.
Just lay dead back.
Yes, and I lay there and try to zone off, but it doesn't work. Sleeping isn't my thing. One night I got 2 hours of sleep. That's enough. I'm up most of the time at night, so can't sleep for shit. Sometimes, most of the time. Just let it out.